This topic lists the many components or conditions that could result in a no-start or hard-start condition. We'll begin with pistons and piston rings. Rings can lose tension from overheating. The resulting loss of compression can cause a no-start, hard-start condition. Pistons with cracks, broken lands, or broken or collapsed skirts can cause a loss of compression. Rods that are broken, stretched, bent, or twisted can bind and cause loss of compression. Scored or seized bearings can create excessive crankshaft rotational resistance, resulting in a no-start, hard-start condition. Spun bearings can seize the engine and create excessive crankshaft rotational resistance, resulting in no-start, hard-start conditions. Reversed bearing caps can cause the engine to seize and create excessive crankshaft rotational resistance, resulting in a no-start, hard-start condition. Contamination from coolant in the oil can cause spun or seized bearings. A broken flex plate can contact the bell housing or the block, creating excessive crankshaft rotational resistance. Misaligned bearing bores can cause the crankshaft to bind, creating excessive crankshaft rotational resistance. Overheating caused by corrosion in the cooling passages may result in seized rings and pistons. Lack of lubrication caused by contamination in the oil galleries may result in seized rings and pistons and loss of compression. Contaminated lifters can hold the valves open, resulting in loss of compression. Cam bearings on overhead cam engines can seize due to sludge, low oil pressure, or incorrect oil viscosity. Misaligned cam bearings can result in excessive rotational resistance or a broken camshaft. Warped, bent, or weak valves and low valve spring tension can cause loss of compression. Carbon deposits on valves can cause improper seating and loss of compression. Carbon deposits on the back of the valve can soak up fuel, resulting in a lean fuel mixture. A lack of lubrication at rocker arms, push rods, and cam followers can cause galling and worn or broken parts, causing loss of compression. A worn or scored oil pump can cause low oil pressure and lack of lubrication, which can damage engine components. A twisted oil pump drive can cause a loss of oil pressure and lack of lubrication. A ballooned or ruptured oil filter indicates high oil pressure due to a stuck relief valve. High oil pressure can pump up lifters and lash adjusters, resulting in loss of compression. Coolant leaking into the cylinders can cause an engine to seize due to hydraulic lock. Due to an inaccurate camshaft sensor reading, a broken or bent variable camshaft timing phaser finger can cause the engine to run rough, backfire, and lose power. A damaged crankshaft trigger wheel can be caused by excessive crankshaft end play, preventing crankshaft position input to the PCM.